In this video, we're going to analyze Runway or RunwayML for text-to-video generation. So we're going to talk about what Runway is, some potential for using Runway in your classroom, the limitations of Runway, and then how you can potentially also have students implement Runway in the classroom as well. So first of all, what is RunwayML? You can find it at RunwayML.com, and it is a text-to-video generator. You can try it for free, as we'll demonstrate right here. So I went ahead and went to RunwayML.com, and I'm going to try it for free. It allows you to go ahead and sign in using your Google credentials. And so I'll go ahead and do that. And after I log in utilizing Google, it tells me here are some options for you, and there's a free plan and then various pay plans depending on what you need. So I'm going to check the free plan, and then I want to try their text to video generator. So I'll go ahead and start. It gives me a quick tutorial on what I should be doing, and then it tells me it's going to give me 4 different prompts, and I can select which one looks the best for me and then generate a video. Every second of video is 5 credits, and they give me 600 and some odd credits to start with. So I'm just going to put in a very generic prompt here. I want an image of 2 hydrogen atoms bonding with an oxygen atom to form hydrogen or form water molecule. And so I'm going to let it generate here. Now please note I have sped this video up. It did take about 30 seconds to generate, and then you see that this is not a very good generation of what I would be wanting to show students if I was intending to use this as a model. So here's where we have to remember it's in beta format right now, and it needs more users to prompt it and then give it feedback, and you're able to downvote videos if they were bad or ask for regeneration if it didn't give you what you wanted. And so this is where you actually get to make the product better by inputting new prompts and trying new things. So we're going to try again here. This time I asked it to give me the Walt Disney World Magic Kingdom castle, but I want it in the style of Seurat, which is pointillism. And so it has given me an image that looks pretty grainy, like it is pointillism. Let's see what it does here. I selected one of the 4 images, and then if I push play, it's going to do something for me. This was pretty simple. It just kind of zoomed out, but the castle also changed. So this is not great yet either. This would not be something that would be useful for me. But again, I'm giving it very, very bad prompts. I want to be very explicit. This is meant to be a tutorial to show you how this works. So this time I asked for friends meeting coffee, and it gave me some videos here. So I picked one of the images. This is a warning. It does not do well with faces. So it can be a little frightening sometimes to see faces that are generated in video, and we'll show a couple of models of those here. And so we'll push play, and then you see faces kind of melting and teeth kind of popping out and weird things happening. So we're going to just reset. Let's hit the reset button. You've got one on your keyboard. Next thing I'm going to do here, type in a new prompt. I'm going to be a little bit more specific, but again, not great because I'm trying to show you the tutorial. You can get very advanced with your prompts here to give much more meaning to the video that it's creating, but I'm being very, very generic as a tutorial. An island volcano erupting, spewing ash and lava. The volcano is surrounded by a blue ocean, I don't know, and is occurring maybe during sunset. So I've given it kind of a setting, and I'm picturing a stratovolcano, and it did produce stratovolcanoes. And so I'm just going to pick one here that's got the most colors and then generate the video. Again, speeding up the process. This did take about 35 seconds to generate the video here. And so then if we push play, it kind of doesn't erupt, whatever you want to call that. So again, not perfect yet, and this is where I'll be able to give it feedback in order to let them know that this is not exactly working well. But if you have more ideas or you want to see a more explicit set of prompts, go ahead and connect with me. That is also at the end of our video here. Conclusion. So what is Runway? Again, it's text to video generation. You type in what you want. Be specific and you will get better videos than I just demonstrated. There are limitations. It is in beta mode, but you can definitely see how this can be implemented in the classroom. Maybe you want to have students generate a video and then write a prompt or write something about it. So if you're willing, please type in the comments below how you plan to integrate this or have students integrate this into your classroom. Thanks so much for watching.